Good afternoon, this is Paul, and today I'm going to talk about something exciting. I see some new growth here, several on this bruni. I'm going to prune some of them back because they're on the lower part of this plant. But today we're not going to talk about dragon fruit, we're going to focus on the soil and dragon fruit roots. So a big shout out to James Burnett. He informed me about dragon fruit and their relationship with mycorrhizal fungi. So 80 to 90% of all vascular plants actually have an association or a symbiotic relationship with mycorrhizal fungi, and you can buy it on Amazon. So this bond has existed between plants and this mushrooms for millions of years, and it works with the root system. What happens is the roots will colonize this fungi. So basically, micro means fungus, and rhiza means root. So they have a lifelong bond, and once they connect, they form kind of little tiny microscopic tubes called hyphae, and they're smaller than a human hair. So you can see here on this Amazon product it has mycorrhizal fungi, and I'm going to follow the directions here and show you how to apply it to dragon fruit plants that have roots. Now you can dip newly rooted plants into this before transplanting it. That's what it recommends as well. And the relationship, or the reason I should say why this is important, and I'm going to try this out this spring, is because the plants will give these mycorrhizal fungi sugars, and the fungi will give them back nutrients in the soil. So fungicides like copper fungicide to get rid of rust would be really bad for this fungus. So be very careful when you apply that product because you don't want to hurt these delicate fungi. So pesticides will affect them too. So I'm going to show you how to apply it to the soil. Now I've been waiting because now we have temperatures coming up here in the forecast, and it's rained about 5 inches in the past couple weeks. So this soil is really moist, which is what you want. You could douse it really well for a few days before you apply this, but you need really moist soil. So I'm going to show you how to mix this up and how to apply it now. Alright, so once you open it up, it has a small measuring device, a little scoop. So it says don't breathe it, so definitely I'm downwind. It's a bit of a breeze. And it says 1 heaping scoop. So it says it's good for 1 to 2 gallons. So this is 1 gallon, so I didn't do a very heaping scoop. I put it in, and then again, don't breathe the dust, and I fill it up with water. And so I recommend putting the cup full first rather than last, so that way you get a really good mix as you fill it up. Alright, I'll show you how to apply it now. Alright, so remember it's for the roots, rooted plants. So I'm applying about 1/5 of this, 1 gallon, to this 15-gallon dragon fruit pot. Most of my dragon fruit pots are 15 to 25 gallons. So I applied about 1/5 of this gallon, and then in a few days I'm going to apply some top dressing. I'm going to apply some more Happy Frog soil and some more water, so that way it'll stay nice and moist and promote some fungal growth. So there you go, mycorrhizal fungi. Give us a like and a subscribe. We'll keep them coming. Have yourself a wonderful day. Take care.